my channel. Today we are going to see a problem on 389. Find the difference. Okay, let's first see the question on leetcode platform. This is the question on leetcode. Let's read what they are given. You are given two strings S and T. Okay, then string T is generated by random shuffling string S and then added one more letter at a random position. Written the letter that was added to T. I think you can easily understand this question. Let's move on to the examples. Here the string S is given A B C D, then string T is given A B C D E. Okay, the extra letter added is E. We can visually easily see. So E is the output. Okay, let's move how we can do this question. Before moving to the logic, let's understand more about XOR table. See here, we are doing XOR between same numbers means we will get 0. See here in first one, 0 XOR 0, we are getting 0. Then 1 XOR 1, we are getting 0. But when we are doing XOR with different numbers, we are not getting 0. This is the logic we want to understand first. I will give you one more examples too. XOR of 5 with 5, then 5 with any number 4 and 5 with 0. You all know the binary number for 5, 101. Let's do XOR with itself, 101. What will be the answer? 110, 0, 110. We are getting 0. Okay, let's do XOR with 4, 101, 100. 100, we are getting 1. Let's do XOR with 0, 101, 000. We are getting 101. We are getting 5 itself. Okay, what we understand from this three calculations, when we do XOR with the same number we are getting 0, but when we are doing XOR with a different number or a 0, we are getting other values than 0. Okay, when I do with XOR with 4, I am getting 1. When I do XOR with 0, I am getting the same number. Okay, this is the logic you have to understand from the XOR operations. Okay, the same logic we are going to use to solve this problem. First, we are going to concatenate both the strings S plus T. That means what we will A B C D A B C D E. Okay, I'm going to do XOR operation with these characters. Okay, let's do it. Going to do XOR. Though A XOR B XOR C XOR D XOR A XOR B XOR C XOR D XOR E equal to. Now apply the logic of XOR. When we do XOR with same number, we are going to get 0. So this A will cancel out this A, this B will cancel out this B, this C will cancel out this C, this D will cancel out this D. The remaining is what? The extra character added. So by doing XOR, we can easily get that one extra character added to T. So okay, we said when we do XOR of any two same numbers, we will get 0. So if all will leads to 0 and 0 XOR the extra character will leads to the same character. For your understanding, I have done everything in a single line, they all XOR. But in coding, we will use a loop to do this operation. We will take each character from the concatenated string and do XOR operations iteratively. Okay, wow. I am going to add the link for Python code explanation and Java code explanation in the description, which you want to see, go and see. Okay, the Python code. First, we have to initialize a variable r equal to 0 because we are going to start our XOR operation with 0. Then you have to form a for loop. In that, you are going to take each character from a concatenated string. The concatenated string is formed by adding both the string S and T. Then iteratively, you are doing the XOR operations. Here before XOR operation, you have to change the character to its ASCII value. Python don't do it by itself. We have to add O or D to the character to change that into their ASCII values. We all know the ASCII value starts from 97 for small a and increment by +1. At last, after doing all XOR of the concatenated string, the remaining ASCII value will be the character that added to T. So we have to change that ASCII value into character and return. This is the Java code. As I already said, we are going to concatenate both the strings. So I have written string combined equal to s plus t. Then we are going to do our XOR operation initially with 0 and going to store the XORed values in a variable res, and it is going to be an integer. Then under for loop only we are going to XOR each characters. In Java, we don't need to manually change that character into an ASCII value or integer value. It itself take the ASCII values for the characters. Okay. In for loop, we are initializing from I equal to 0 to I less than combined dot length until the concatenate string length. Then I plus plus. Inside that, res equal to res XOR with combined at character at that index position. Then after the complete for loop and all XOR operations of the concatenated string, a single character's ASCII value will be remaining. That's our extra character added to the string T. So we have to change that ASCII value into character and return. That's all. Don't forget to like and share.